At Learnosity, our mission is to empower assessment excellence, and Learnosity Console is your command center from which to do so. This is the hub of your implementation with value for author leaders, managers, and administrators. It starts with user management. Here, I can ensure the right users have the right permissions. John Doe, for example, might need read-only access to an item bank. We can simply click the item bank and select a permission group for him. We control all user permissions right here. Also on Console, author leaders are empowered with built-in analytics. The item bank analysis feature gives authors real-time insight into how learners are performing on their questions. If certain items are too easy or too hard, they'll display under Item Review. Other insights allow author leaders to track questions authored and assessments delivered, giving insight into the rollout of your learning product. Finally, developers and managers control the Learnosity implementation here. Developers access security keys, whitelist domains, and manage consumers. Leaders can come here to customize the author site by creating custom permission groups and controlling the version of the API that's used. If you'd like access to any module of Learnosity Console, contact your manager or your company's console administrator who can adjust your permissions. Console allows you to self-service your implementation needs, but Learnosity's support team is always available for help, guidance, or problem resolution. If you've any questions about Learnosity Console, you can email marketing@learnosity.com for more details. Thanks for watching.